A is for apple.
B for banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B for banana. Say it with me. C for cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. C for cherry. Say it with me. D for dragon fruit. D-R-A-G-O-N-N-F-R.
Say it with me. E for elderberry. E-L-D-E-R-B-E-R-R-Y. Elderberry. F for fig. F-I-G. Fig. F for fig. G for grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. G for grapes. Say it with me. H for honeydew. H-O-N-E-Y-D-E-W. Honeydew. H for honeydew. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. I for ice cream. Say it with me. J for jackfruit. J-A-C-K-F-R-U-I-T.
K for kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Clap, clap. K for kiwi. Say it with.
L for lemon. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. Squeeze, squeeze, lemon fun. Say it with me.
M for mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. N for nut. N-U-T. Nut. Crunchy, tasty, nut is fun. Say it with me.
Nut, nut. Say it with me. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Juicy, sweet, it's so bright. P for P-I-N-E. P-P. So Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. So bright. And R for raspberry. R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y. Raspberry. R-S for strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. S for tangerine. T-A-N-G-E-R-I-N-E. Tangerine. T for U for ugly fruit. U-G-L-I. Ugly fruit. U for ugly, sweet, sweet. V for Valencia orange. V-A-L-E-N-C-I-A. Valencia orange. W for watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-N. Watermelon. X for Shigwa. X-I-G-U-A. Zigwa. X for X, sweet and fun. Y for yellow passion fruit. Y-E-L-O-U.